Hello, everyone. Today, we'll watch a wonderful conversation between Eleanor, who wants to improve her English, and Jorn, an English teacher from South Africa. We'll also take a closer look at Elana's English. Enjoy the video.
I'm Eleanor, by the way. Ella, you can call me Ella.
Ella. Oh,
Yes,
what
Ella.
a beautiful name. I love that name.
It's the Turkish, the meaning hazel in Turkish.
It
The
means
color of
hazel?
hazel. Yes.
Oh, wow. So do you have hazel eyes in that case? You should, right?
No, I don't,
Oh,
unfortunately.
what color eyes do you have?
They're brown.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah, they're kind of like honey colored. It's like a brown honey.
Yeah, maybe.
Beautiful. My eyes are blue.
Yes, I see it.
Um,
You're beautiful too. So your
they're
name is...
beautiful, but they're a little bit weak, because blue eyes, we can't see so good. So actually, I have glasses. I should be wearing them now.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me see you with glasses. It looks good on you, by the way.
Thanks, Ella. Now we're twins. We look the same now.
Yes, but my glasses are black, so...
Oh, yeah, mine are gold. Actually, it's so cold here right now. So if I put my glasses on, they fog up. Look here.
Oh, it's
It's a
that
little bit
cold.
foggy. It's that cold and it's warm inside my house and cold outside. So I just see nothing.
Yes. It's cold in Gaziantep too. I'm in Gaziantep right now.
You're in where?
It's Gaziantep is a city from Turkey.
Okay, Turkey. Okay, I've never heard of this city before. Is it like Gaziantep?
Gaziantep, yes.
Gaziantep.
Uh,
Oh, I need to
it's
research
it's
about it.
located in the Middle East, actually. The
Right.
part of Turkey is part of Middle East. You know, the Istanbul. Do you know Istanbul?
Yeah, of course. I love Istanbul.
Istanbul is located, half of the Istanbul is at the Europe and half
Yeah.
of this Asia. There are two parts of Istanbul, and
Okay.
Gaziantep is located in Middle East.
In the Middle East, right. Oh, by the way, Ella, my name is Janae.
Journey.
Yeah, exactly. You
Where
said
are
it
you
right.
from, by the way?
Ella, I'm from South Africa, so I'm
Mhm.
African, but I don't live there. So now I live in Portugal. Do you know Portugal?
Yes, I heard.
Oh, you've heard. What have you heard about Portugal?
I just heard its name.
Ah,
So, do you like Portugal or South Africa most?
that's a good question. Oh, I mean, South Africa is my home. I love it
Yes.
there a lot. Like it will always be special to me. I miss my family and my friends.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I miss some cultural things, but Portugal is so beautiful, and I feel so safe and free. And I love the nature in Portugal. So maybe I would choose Portugal.
Are there benefits to live in Portugal?
My family lives here. That's the biggest benefit. Oh, sorry about that.
So, is your family at Portugal or South Africa?
Some of my family is in South Africa, but my immediate family, like my mom and my dad and my brother, they're in Portugal. So I'm very
Well,
lucky to have them
that's
here.
interesting, actually.
Yeah, I'm lucky. And Ella, what about you? Do you like living in Gazate?
Um, Gaziantep is a beautiful city, but I think it's my point of view. There are more beautiful cities in Turkey to live in, and
Oh.
the Greece is located in Aegean Sea.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Actually, I'm from Balıkesir, which is
Okay.
just opposite, located in the opposite of Greece in the Aegean Sea.
Right.
Um,
Actually, this city I've heard of. This is funny enough, I've heard of that one.
there are famous islands of Balıkesir, like
Yeah.
Cunda. and Ayvalık.
Yeah. Okay, now I know where we're talking about. So you're actually from there, and then you moved to Gazati when you were how old?
Can you repeat again, please?
Sure, yeah. How old were you when you moved to Gazate?
I born in Gaziantep, but actually
Oh,
my family is from Balıkesir. So my homeland is a Balıkesir. I I count homeland as a Balıkesir. Yes,
I see. How old are you, Ella?
I'm 15 years old.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I thought maybe you were like a university student or something.
Yeah, most of the people say me that, but I
Yeah.
don't know. Maybe I look a bit older.
I don't think it's your look. I think it's like your maturity and the way you carry yourself. And your English. Your English you tricked me. Your English makes me think that you're older because you're good at speaking English.
Thank you very much. So how old are you?
That's a good question. How old do you think I am?
I think you look like you're in the 20s.
Yeah, I am. So 20, like early 20s or late 20s? What do you think?
Uh, 24. Is it correct?
Close. I'm 26.
Ah, that's great.
Yeah. But
You
it's
look
funny that you
young. You look
thank
young,
you,
by the way.
Ella. That's very nice to say. You said 24. That's my lucky number.
Really? Why?
Really? 24 is actually my birth date, the 24th of June.
Hmm. And I was born on the 27th of July.
Oh, just after my birthday,
Yeah, just around a month.
just around the corner. So, what is your lucky number, Ella?
Actually, I don't have like a specific like number, but
Right.
I will choose three as a lucky number.
Three. Oh, an uneven number.
Yes. There are some meanings of three to me.
Okay,
Um,
what is it? Tell me.
like I remember that Tesla, the uh, s- scientist Tesla, the not the car, the
I'm
scientist
just thinking of
Tesla.
the car. Okay, but the scientist. I was like, yeah, Tesla, the car, and
There are a scientist called Tesla.
right. Okay.
He said that three and it's uh, three is a beautiful number. We should care about three. And
Oh,
I love Tesla, so uh, it's a reason. And I see three around my life. I mean,
oh. So this is like a very prominent number around.
yes, it just I see everywhere three. Like I don't know, everything
Wow.
is connected with the tree in some way.
Okay, so spiritually, number three, do you know what that means?
No,
Let
do
me
you?
check. No, I have no idea, but I'm interested because this is your lucky number. Well, now it is. Let's see. Number three is about, oh, interesting. Hmm. So number three is about creativity and communication.
Oh, that's great. I know that.
Okay. Yeah. And you know what? It sounds like you're very interested in science. Are you?
Yes, actually, I'm at school that I'm currently studying in, and I'm studying school,
Oh, sorry, you cut out there. What are you studying?
science high school.
Science high school. Oh, science at high school. Okay. Oh,
Uh,
so do you like the
we,
physical science part or the biology part of science?
I like the physical side of it. but
Oh my gosh, you're very smart. You are very, very
but
smart.
but hold on. But I'm better at the biological side of that.
That is very interesting because usually someone would pick something they're better at, but you pick the challenging one.
Yes, I think I have a very strong side of character that wants me to push me
Mm.
to hard things. I
Oh,
have a
wow.
stubborn character. I think I like challenging things.
What a beautiful side of your character, you know. I mean, you're so young and you have that already. That's a talent you're going to use for your whole life. It's very inspiring, Ella.
Yes, and I'm glad that I have that opportunity to know my character.
You know, it's interesting because your character will only develop as you get older. If I look back to when I was 15, I thought I knew everything. And now I'm 26 and I don't think that I know everything anymore. Now I
Yes,
know there's a lot to learn. Yeah, yeah. But you're so wise for your age and that's so inspiring. Can I ask
thank
you a
you.
question? What do you want to do when you leave school?
Um,
What's your plan?
I actually don't know because it's a hard question. I mean, um, uh,
Yeah.
actually, in Turkey, we are going to exam in the ending of our high school at the
Okay.
fourth grade of high school, and it
Yes.
determines that which university we are going to study in.
Yes, that makes sense. Okay.
Yes, and like it's a real big thing for Turkish young people because it really
Mm,
determines what we are going to do uh, in the last of our life. I mean, it's a big
right.
thing for us, and all the
Yeah.
Turkish high
Mhm.
school students are working for that, studying for that exam. So I study too.
Wow.
There is not a
Yeah.
specific
Okay.
feature for us to
No, that's
develop
fine.
or
That's
improve.
fine. Yeah, I mean, you know what? I think you will live till over 100 years old. So you have time to decide what you will do and figure out and feel what is for you, you know? I mean,
Yes,
do you know my great grandmother, she lived till she was 104 years old? That's a long time.
it's a really long time. Did she live in South Africa?
Yes, she did. And up until her very old age, she was very smart and mobile. Like she could use her body and her mind. So I feel like, you know what, we have so much time. You're going to have the best future, Ella. You're going to be so successful. Yeah, because you're so kind and sweet and intelligent.
I can say the same things for you too.
Oh my goodness, thank you. What is your plan for the rest of the day? Tell me.
I'm going to home and study more. I mean, I'm thinking to read some books and other
Wow.
stuff, do some other stuff.
Oh,
So,
oh,
what are
really
you
good.
planning to do?
Oh, Ella, you know, our time is running out, but I'm so glad that I got to meet you. Good luck with your future, and I hope to see you again.